Alright, so this is Jeep Update 67, and 67, I can't believe I'm going to say this out loud, I'm finally finished with the Jeep. And we all know that we're never going to be finished. There's always going to be things that I'm going to need to work on, but 3+ years, the introductory video, which I didn't number, and then 67 other videos later, I'm saying the Jeep is pretty much complete and pretty much how I want it. It's running good. I've chased down all the minor issues. I've still got some other ones that keep popping up that I will need to address, but for the most part, it's done. Alright, I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. I'm really excited to show you guys the Jeep, so let's go check it out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed checking out the final, completed Jeep. 3+ years of work, like I mentioned before, and would love to know your thoughts or opinions on it. So shoot me a comment down below. I definitely try to respond to 100% of the comments that I get, and let me know what you guys think. So as I've mentioned in the past, the Jeep project is never over, and right after we put in the new differential seals front and rear, specifically the rear axle, the passenger side rear axle seal is leaking. So when that fluid level in the differential was at its maximum fluid level, it started pouring out of the axle seal on the passenger side tire in the rear. So that's coming up in a future Jeep update, because that's not going to be a I'm not going to say it's going to be a hard repair to do, but it's certainly something that I've never done, and it's also something that's a little bit time consuming, because my understanding is you got to take the tire off, you got to take the drum off, you got to take the rear brakes off, which are drum brakes, and then you got to take your entire axle shaft and slide that out. So I don't think it's a complicated project, but I do think it's involved and time consuming. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, I'd encourage you to hit that subscribe button and show your support for the channel. Certainly helps me out as a small but growing YouTube channel. It also is helpful if you hit the thumbs up, leave comments down below, and hit the bell. The bell's in one of these corners of your computer screen or on your web page, and that will tell you whenever I upload a new video, you'll get an alert. Really appreciate you tuning in, really appreciate the support for the channel, and as always, thanks for watching.